Alright, doing a service call on a water heater. Chico called me up, said that the water heater is shutting off about once a week. He is a plumber. He thinks it's the valve. I can tell that it's hot, but it's not, oh, the sticker's missing. It's not super hot, so it's hard to tell. They had it on, somewhere between A and C, but it is blinking twice. So the water might be, actually the drain valve is pretty warm. I'm not really sure what's going on with it, but he wants the valve changed. So we're going to change the valve and hope that takes care of it. Looks like it's newer, just based on the fact someone's been into this. Looks like he probably got this as a return because the sticker is missing. So yeah, we'll shut it down and go ahead and change the valve. First thing you want to do is turn the gas off, if you can get it shut off there. We'll go ahead and disconnect. So I get these warranty return water heaters all the time, and 9 times out of 10 it is the valve, so he's made the right call. I know this valve is good that I'm bringing because it's off a different water heater that just had a leak on it. Camera angles here. So Chico has bought parts from me in the past. Typically he will buy a propane valve, like a Honeywell propane. I think he's just too busy to do it himself.
Ya no ha estado prendiendo el chico y se volvió a apagar.
Oh, entonces hay que checar.
Sí, lo secó, de hecho, y no se...
Mandarlo.
Sí.
Qué raro, pues no hace mucho que lo... Debe tener garantía. ¿Vas a sacar la ciudad?
Caldo de res también.
La comida y el desayuno está. Ya. Ok, ya cenaste.
Sí, no, pues lo que pasa es que me fui a hacer algunas cosas. Bueno, me llevé a mi mamá también al mercado y a la cocina. Llegamos tarde y nos tomamos un licuado y ya se nos quitó la
Ahora
hora
al rato, ¿verdad? Y ya estás levantando. Te voy a decir que cuando tengas citas sí, sí, me avisas para que dejen mucho para que le diga tú si ya se quiere quedar.
No, si les digo, no, quiere, esa señora no quiere quedarse.
Terminé bien cansada ayer. Pero pues como
Pero es que
quiera,
no para. Le digo, ya, siéntate, anda para arriba y para abajo. y la
buscando qué
guitarra.
hacer, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Ya sé.
¿Y qué hago? Mi modo, le digo, te voy a amarrar.
Y luego que no le gusta leer. No le gusta. Pero quiere hablar,
Okay. So I just put the new valve in. Reconnecting the circuit board. Why do people always have to do work? Things make me really nervous. These pilot tubes are a pain in the ass. So these brass natural gas, it's like a fitting that goes in between, or an adapter, but they're really pretty neat because if they hit a certain temperature, then they will cut off the flow of gas. And I'm not sure what that temperature is, but it's just in case there's a fire, you know, that's going on outside here, and it ends up hitting this this adapter. The adapter will actually, you know, cut the flow of gas off to try and stop whatever's feeding the fire. spark. So this is the old valve. I can put my multimeter on it to try and see what's going on. While we wait for the pilot light. Yeah, I've got 11. So you do ground to the black to the ground prong, red to the pilot, that gives me 11. Black to the ground, red to the main burner prong, that gives me 11. So personally, I'm thinking it's the circuit board. She's running now. It did kick in on very hot. Of course, the water's already warm. Anyway, that is the procedure to replace the valve. It's a simple service call. Based on what Chico's telling me, having to come out here once a week and relight it. It's his understanding it's the valve itself. We shall find out. So thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you liked it and you want to subscribe. Consider watching some of my other videos. I do a lot of water heater repair, water heater replacement, and we will see you on the next one. Have a great day.